Hello boys and girls, it's Friday, it's Celebration Assembly. Who's been reaching for the stars this week, I wonder? Right, we've got loads today, boys and girls. We've got loads. We've got so many children who are being respectful, they're enjoying their learning, they're achieving amazing things, they're caring, and they're being healthy. So, I'm going to start with respect. This week, the Respect Award goes to Emily Fielden from Class Spain. Well done, Emily. Emily is always respectful to both other children and any adult that she's with. She has beautiful manners and she's a wonderful role model for everybody. We're so proud of you, Emily. Keep being respectful and reaching for the stars. Now, for enjoy, you won't believe this, boys and girls, we've got 3. Everyone's enjoying themselves at the moment. So our first one is for Lily Brooks. Well done to you, Lily. I think you're Class Scotland. And Lily Brooks has shown great enjoyment in her learning at home and has tackled her learning in some creative ways. She's looked at the life cycle of a frog and she's made paper models of each part. Well done to you, Lily. Great job. Somebody else that's enjoying themselves at the moment is Ellie Smith-Bynum from Class China. Ellie clearly loves school and makes it a lovely place to be because she doesn't stop smiling. I've noticed that about you, Ellie. She eagerly contributes her ideas to class discussions and approaches all tasks with enthusiasm. Well done to you, Ellie. We've got somebody else that's enjoying themselves. It's Millie Barnes from Class Wales. Millie has been working very hard and had lots of fun with her learning. But what has impressed her teacher most is the transformation in her handwriting skills. Millie now writes with confidence and fluency, presenting her work beautifully. She had great fun writing postcards to the adults in school, and we all enjoyed receiving them. Well done, Millie. So now we're on to Achieve. 1, 2, 3, 4 this week for Achieve. My word. First one, Beatrice Boyd. Beatrice has been striving to achieve in all areas. She's shown care and perseverance in all tasks, from writing sentences in English to telling the time in maths and to scoring a basket when playing outside. Her determination means that she has achieved highly this week. Well done, Beatrice. Next one, Amelie Moore Lidbury. Well done, Amelie. Amelie's been working incredibly hard on her writing skills. I've seen a bit of that on Facebook, Amelie. She's been engaging in the writing challenges posted on Facebook and she loves to show off what she's achieved. And you know, she always has a smile on her face. When in school, Amelie has stunned us with her fantastic writing. She carefully considers the success criteria. She thinks about the sentence before she writes it, and then she writes it beautifully. And then she checks to make sure she's got the correct grapheme when spelling. Lots to think about there, Amelie. We're so proud of Amelie's hard work and her brilliant achievements. Well done. Someone else that's achieving is William Lander. Great news, William. William has worked extremely hard on his home learning tasks and he loves sharing his work with the Year 2 teachers. His maths work has been really impressive and it's clear to see that William enjoys a challenge. Well done, William. Great news. Final one for Achieve goes to Harley Fiander. Well done, Harley, from Class Northern Ireland. Harley has really impressed me by sending a video of himself reading all of his reception read words. He's also written his own certificate saying how proud he is of himself for working hard with his maths and reading at home. We're proud of you too, Harley. Well done. And now we're on to care. So who's been caring this week? Well, this one is for Eliza Maynard. Well done, Eliza, Class England. Eliza has taken it upon herself to care for the family cat, Bert. She's been looking after him really well by giving him food every day and some treats. We all need treats, don't we? And making sure he has plenty to drink. That's important. She has also been ensuring he has plenty of cuddles. That's caring, Eliza. And is always kind and gentle with him. Great news. Well done. Keep up that hard, caring work. And finally, we've got our Healthy Awards. We've got 2 this week. The first, I've just noticed something. I think they're both for learning a new skill. I wonder if you can guess what it is. It's a healthy skill. The first one is for Ariti. Well done, Ariti. During lockdown, Ariti has learnt to ride her bike without stabilisers. And do you know, it only took 2 sessions of 10 minutes with her daddy. And now there's no stopping her. She's off. Well done, Ariti. Great work. And the next one, and the last one, is for Otto Metcalf. Well done, Otto. Otto quickly mastered riding his bike without stabilisers, and he now goes out with his mum twice a week to help keep him fit and healthy. Mum jogs. Oh, well done, Mum. And Otto rides his bike. Mum said he's getting really fast now, so guess what? Mum has to speed up too. Well done to both of you. And that's it for our Friday celebration assembly today. Boys and girls, what have we forgotten? What have we forgotten? We didn't start in the normal way. Should we do it now? I don't think it matters, does it? I don't think it matters. I don't think I'm going to start again now because I've been going for 7.5 minutes. So we're going to do our birthday song now. Do you mind if we do it without any music? We know the tune, don't we? We know the tune. So, first of all, well done to everybody who's been reaching for the stars this week. I think this week I've seen the most that I've ever seen. So many children are trying their best this week, not giving up, being caring to one another, and really respecting one another and our schools. That's lovely. So now, birthday boys and girls, birthday mums and dads, and birthday staff. They're the people that work in our school. I'd like you all to stand up, please, because we need to sing you a birthday song. Are you ready, everyone? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. And of course they need a birthday clap. Well done. Sorry we didn't do that first. I hope that's okay. Right, boys and girls, that's the end of our assembly today. Like I've said, so many children are reaching for the stars. Keep it up. Keep working hard. Keep reaching for the stars. And I will see you. I'll see you next week, won't I? Next Wednesday in our singing assembly. Bye for now.